If you are looking for the best Bosch dishwasher, here is a collection you have got to see. Let's get started.
At any time, you can click the circle for more info and real-time deals.
Number 1. Most popular. Bosch SHEM 63W55N 24-inch 300 series built-in full console dishwasher. The SHEM 63W55N is the most popular Bosch dishwasher under $750. Its price floats around $699, including the manufacturer rebate. With prices starting at over $689, Bosch 300 series dishwashers make up for most of the shortcomings of the 100 series. These models offer everything found in the budget model above, plus these features. If you like the feature set of the Bosch 300 series SHEM 63W55N, but need an 18-inch wide model for a small kitchen or a bar, you might consider the Bosch dishwasher SPE 53U 55UC. Number 2. Bosch SHX M98W75N 24-inch 800 series built-in fully integrated dishwasher. I regret buying this dishwasher. I saw the reviews about it not drying dishes, especially plastics, and they are accurate. We tried all settings to overcome the lack of drying the dishes. Quite frustrating. It has lots of great features and cycles, and I like the light that shines on the floor to indicate it is running, but all of that is negated by the fact that it doesn't dry dishes very well. Number 3. Bosch SHP 865 WD5N 500 series built-in fully integrated dishwasher. We ended up purchasing this from Home Depot as the price was better. I am sorry I cannot answer the question. I will say, regardless of your choice, there are additional items required for installation, and you can find out what they are by going to the Bosch website. We ended up purchasing the 800 series and love it. If you are replacing an existing dishwasher, you may be able to use the water supply hose. Otherwise, purchase an installation kit that contains the hoses required. Number 4. Bosch SHXM 63W55N 300 series 24-inch built-in fully integrated dishwasher. I bought this dishwasher because of glowing reviews on various sites, including Consumer Report. I am single and use this dishwasher very seldom. It worked for 2 years. I live in a town that has no authorized repairman, which you should know is very important. I cannot get anyone to repair this dishwasher, and after having many conversations with Bosch customer service, I will have to replace a Bosch dishwasher that lasted about 2 years. Number 5. Bosch SHXM 63WS5N 24-inch 300 series built-in fully integrated dishwasher. We purchased a Bosch dishwasher with a built-in salt generator to replace our 10-year-old Miele dishwasher, which also had a salt generator. The Miele dishwasher was getting blocked by our very hard water. That is the only reason for the change. Both dishwashers are quiet and do a super job of cleaning dishes. The new Bosch dishwasher has the same third tray for silverware, an item we liked in the Miele dishwasher.
For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.